Okay guys, we're doing the teams now on the 4-box break. 8, 11, 32 pair Melbourne time. Random is live. Participants. We're going 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Participants. Teams, sorry. We're going 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Random complete. And teams are Shane Borthwick, Pelicans, Jeremy Bovard, Warriors, Jazz, Zach O'Toole, Nets, Albie, Mavericks, Mr. Harrison, Nuggets, Mr. Rhodes, Thunder, Danny with the Bucks, Shane Borthwick, Cavs, Stephen, Rockets, Daniel Thorpe, Blazers, Adam Carter, Kings, Liam Scott, Celtics, Benji Mack, Hornets, Chris Haylock, Spurs, Albie Chin, Magic, Aaron Price, Clippers, Michael Mizzy, Heat, Ed Lee, Sixers, Jerome Hughes, Lakers, Mr. Oliver, Pistons, Albie Chin, Raptors, Adam Carter, T-Wolves, Zach O'Toole, Suns, Benji Mack, Hawks, Danny with the Pacers, Scott Crane, Grizz, Chris Haylock, Wizards, Albie with the Bulls, and Zach O'Toole with the Knicks.